EasyWay learners. So let's learn about some keywords used in algebra. So the first keyword is variable. So what is variable? An unknown value that is represented by a letter or a symbol like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on. So variable means unknown quantity and that's value can be varied. Like we can take x equals to 1 or x equals to 2 or x equals to 3. So you can see here that the value of this x, this letter x, can be varied. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. So the value of x can be changeable. These kind of letters whose value is unknown and can be varied, these letters are known as variable. Now what are constant? A term which does not contain a variable and whose value cannot be changed, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you can see here that 1 will always remain 1. Its value is always 1. The value of 2 is always 2. The value of 3 is always 3. So their value cannot be changed and there is no variable attached to them. Now, the next term is expression. What are expression? An algebraic form consisting of numbers, variable, and operation sign. Now you know about what are numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. What are variables like x, y, z, a, b, c, or any alphabet. And what are operation sign? The operation signs such as the sign of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or under rules such as 2x plus 5. So you can see here we have numeral, we have variable, we have an operator or operation sign, and we have another number. So this is a expression. Next is what are equations? So equations are also an algebraic form, but it contains equal sign. So now you see here that 2x plus 5 is an expression. If I want to make it equation, I can put equal sign and some number after equal signs. So this will become an equation because it has equal sign. But 2x plus 5 only is an expression. So this is an equation, this is an expression. The next is terms. What are terms? Terms are the algebraic form which are separated by signs like positive and negative. Let's see. If I write here one expression 3x plus 2y plus 8. So I have three terms here. This is my first term, this is my second term, and this is my third term. So now terms are of two types, like terms and unlike terms. What are like terms? The terms which contain the same variable to the same indices. What this mean? So two things you have to keep in mind. The terms which have same variable to the same indices. Indices means power. So let me write an example, then you will understand better. Like 3x and 7x. We can clearly see here they have the same variable. The variable here is x and x. That means my first condition is followed. What about my second condition? My second condition is that they have same indices or the same powers. So you can see here the power of x here is 1, and here also the power of x is 1. So the variables are same, that is x, and their powers are also same, that is 1 and 1. So that means these 3x and 7x are the like. Another example of like terms are the constant, like 8 and 7. So both 8 and 7 are the constants. So that's why they are also the like terms. Now other terms are the unlike terms. Let's understand unlike terms with the help of example. 7x and 7. So you can see here, this has a variable x, but this term does not contain any variable. So my first condition is not satisfied, that both the terms have the same variable, but we can clearly see here that these terms do not have the same variable. So that means this pair is unlike term. Now let's see the other example. X and x square. So according to the condition, we have the same variables like x and x. But what is my second condition? The second condition is that they should have same indices or the same powers. So we can see here that this x has a power of 1 and this x has a power of 2. So that means they are not the like terms, but they are unlike terms. Next term is coefficient. So the coefficient is the number factor of an algebraic term. Say my algebraic term is 2x. So what is the number factor? So number factor here is 2. That means the coefficient of x is 2. If the question is like this, 2x plus 3y. So you have to specify the coefficient of each variable. The coefficient of variable x is 2 and the coefficient of y variable is 3. Hope you learned a lot of things from this video. Thank you.